What's up, guys? We are back here again with another Integra video. We are going to be doing OEM window visors. You got it right here. This is the OEM box. Obviously they're not in here no more, else I wouldn't be letting her do that. But actually we got it right here. And we're going to be putting it in on this Integra right here. So this is a video on YouTube. This is basically just another one just because I like to record. Basically it's going to go like this, and this is OEM. So let me pull out the clips and show you guys everything that comes with. Obviously it comes with double-sided tape, alcohol wipes right here, and the clips are still in the box, so let me pull that out. Alright, see, we got the clips right here. I don't know which one's which yet, and we'll figure it out that as we go. There is B and A's, so yeah, so we know that, and I'll figure out once it goes on here which one goes to which. Alright, so I wiped it off with alcohol already, and on this visor there are going to be two holes. You got 1 and 2. So basically you're going to line up clip A right here on this one, this hole, and B is going to be at the top. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you guys the difference right now. So you got clip A, and then you got, this is going to be clip B, clip B, focus. But yeah, they're a little different, so let's keep in mind. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put it on. Alright, this is how you put it in. It's very easy. You just pull this black tab down like that, and it comes out easy. See it? Next we're going to do bracket A. Bracket A is going to go right here. Alright, got bracket A right there on. So now basically we're going to line up the visor with the holes, and I'm going to get these clips in now. These little ass clips. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let me go ahead and line you guys up. I'll show you guys right here. I'm going to put these pins in. This is down here somewhere. Boom, just like that. Next we'll peel off the tape. It's good. Now just press it on. With Integras, I don't know if we could change it, but I hate that it locks when you walk away from it. Yeah, it looks good. Looks very OEM. I'll show you guys this one. Now I'll do the other side, so you can see it looks good all the way to the seal, basically the door, and it fits great. I'm gonna go ahead and do that side, and then I'll start recording again once we get the rear one on. But yeah, now let's see how it looks from the front. A side angle, kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll get some daytime photos. See, I hate that. I hate that it locks. It's so annoying. Maybe I could look it up and see if that's something we can change. Anyways, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's go ahead and do this side, and then I'll record once we get the rear ones on. Okay, we're going to be doing the rear one, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and set you guys up and do the same way. Basically, we're going to line up the pins and wipe it with alcohol. So maybe I can set you guys up right here. Go ahead and line up our pins here. For this one, it's all going to be the same, so we're just going to be using B brackets for this one. Alright, this is how your rockets are going to look. After we pull off the tape. Actually, no, we still need to line up our brackets a little bit better. 2 clips. Peeling it off like this. There, looks good. Just like that. Oem visors are on. Let me finish up the other side. And I'll show you guys more or less how it looks. Alright guys, it's in the daytime and you can see it's kind of dirty. It's been a couple days actually. The OEM ace pick. See if we get some cool shots.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop.
Rain cars are hit or miss, but they look good on the Integras, especially OEM. You can't go wrong with OEM. Let's see what else we're gonna do in this video. Alright guys, we also have a Type S OEM hood we're gonna be slapping on the Integra very soon. We just need to get the vent, which is pretty easy to get. My girl wants to rock it black. I'll put a photo how it looks, but I don't know if I don't know. I tell her I think the OEM paint match would be cleaner, but her, you know her, she's kind of picky. So we'll see what we do. But we got OEM hood. That's going to be another video. We'll be installing that very soon.